Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you.
Ooh, good morning. Anyways, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To go, and I'm back again with another video for you guys. Welcome, yes. Excuse me, I'm just a little bit tired. I'm just a little bit tired. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel, baby. Welcome back. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title down below, I am attempting. It's probably gonna happen, but I'm attempting to film a week in my life, and I'm starting today on Sunday so that I have enough content, because I just feel like somewhere during the week I'ma just bail. I don't want to do that, but yeah, I'm starting today because I have like a couple of things to do today. I had to take my brother to like go cut his hair. He says he wants to look fresh for Valentine's Day. Like, this nigga's growing up too fast, bro, like too fast. Anyways, yeah, yeah, and then I'm gonna try persuading my mom into buying me Essence lip gloss, because I'm tired of using Vaseline and lip therapy, because lip therapy will like 20 rand in the next 2 days. I don't want that to happen, but yeah, I'm gonna try to get her to buy me Essence lip gloss because I want to be that girl, and then I'm gonna try and persuade her to take me to do my nails, guys, because every girl in my school's having them French tips, and I feel left out. So yeah, I'm gonna shop at the nails if I have the chance to do that, but I hope I do. So yeah, I'm just gonna go shower, get ready, so that we can get going, because my mom is gonna shout at me if I don't shower in the next 2 minutes. But yeah, guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment,
and subscribe.
Say hey to the fam. Okay, no. Anyways, yeah, guys.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag.
Guys, I found what I was looking for. I got into this game and it was sold out, obviously. And I came here and I have it. Oh, guys, I'm looking like the pits. Like, please excuse me. It's greenstone. Like, let's be serious. So, get yourself Essence. Be an Essence girly like me. Let's be an Essence girly squad.
You know she wanna mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy.
So guys, like, complete change to the day. We're at Cappuccino's. Yo, nice skin. But anyways, yeah, we're at Cappuccino's for some lunch. I'm very much hungry. What you looking for? I know what you're looking for. Anyways, yeah, we're at Cappuccino's. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. It's probably pasta, because you know me, I'm a pasta babe. But yeah.
Not a choice. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad.
Sound like girly who it is. Anyways, guys, it's like after school right now. I'm basically sitting on the floor, and this thing that I just opened is a gift from last year for my birthday, and I'm only opening it now. But anyways, I like the progress. I mean, what's this? I like the outcome. It's giving very much TikTok girly. Prepare to be sick of me on TikTok. Prepare to be sick of me. And I'm wearing a beanie and like a sweater because I'm getting sick, guys. I'm getting really sick. Anyways, tomorrow is CV's day because it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, and I don't know what to wear. Like, I just don't know what to wear. So I don't know. I'm just gonna go through my clothes right now. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah, I just wanted to vent to you guys. Yes, yes. Anyways, just wanted to vent to you guys and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go and actually I have something else to unbox. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. The thing that I'm unboxing is I've been wanting this since the beginning of the year, but I don't care what you say, I'm in love with this bottle. It's a 2-liter bottle. Has times on when you should drink. The beginning says rise and shine, and the end says all in a day's work. Like, it literally motivates you to drink water, and I need motivation. I don't know why I'm out of breath. Like, it's because I'm sick or it's because I'm lazy. I don't know. But you're gonna be seeing me every day at school with this. Not every day because there's no space in my bag, but like most of the time. I mean, it has a straw, so I don't have to, you know what I'm saying? Nice.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist.
Okay, guys, so I ended up picking this outfit. Yeah, slay. Anyways, now that I'm done picking out my outfit, I'm going back to studying. Actually, like, I'm really actually tired, but time to play is effed up, so I'm gonna go study downstairs. I'm not gonna vlog that because like I'm not on my phone when I study. So yeah, I'm gonna go study. Like, I'm gonna finish off so I can sleep, you know, get beauty sleep. So I'm looking very scrumbly yum for tomorrow. And yeah, so this is me signing out for Monday, saying good night. You know, we done for the day. Monday is probably gonna be the longest day out of this week, or Tuesday. But yeah, good night, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Get away, I'm chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play. Sit right next to you.
LOVE. Loyalty over vanity. Anyways, guys, we are. Yeah. Shit, you're vlogging. I'm back in the vlogs. Anyways, we're in IT. Let us show you the fits quick. In a minute, guys. Hi.
Top from Mr. Price, shirt from Sheer, hands from Sheer, shoes from, I don't know, but H&M, Cotton On. You look cute, guys.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. You want to like shoes yourself?
He's cutting me out.
Guys, it's a vlog.
Hello, quote of the day. If you open your eyes, you're able to see.
So I'm saying. Aqui. It's me up.
Exactly.
No, you lift me up.
Okay, ew.
Ew.
Hey guys. Okay, let's not mind the camera quality and the lights flashing. I offered to go switch on the light. Anyways, I don't vlog much today because, like, you guys, I'm going through it for real. Like, I'm really going through it, like, with school and everything. So yeah, I don't know how it's gonna be for the rest of this week, but I'm trying. That's the fact of the matter. I'm trying. Yo, I look so ass, bro. What the fudge? Anyways, yeah, Wednesday today. I'm about to go sleep. I just finished studying. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow will be, like, you know, more content. But yeah, as for now, I'm going to sleep. Good night, guys. Hey guys, it's the last day of me filming, like, this whole week vlog. So it's the last day of me filming this whole week vlog. Today is Sunday. There's not much I'm doing today. I'm basically cooking, finishing with my assignment, and studying because, like, I'm writing every day from tomorrow. I started on Friday. Guys, if you love yourself and you're younger, and you're in grade 9 and you're thinking about choosing subjects, let me give you advice. Don't take IT, okay? Don't even look at it. Don't even approach it, like, just yeah. And if you are going to take it, don't take it with, like, hardcore subjects, because let's not even talk about it. Like, it wasn't bad, right? The practical, it was just like side eye, blank stare. Yeah, I'm gonna cook, finish off my assignment, and then study. Yeah. And also, guys, this phone is, like, visiting everything, Joe. Like, it's, like, showing all the spots, pimples, blemishes on my face, and I'm just like, girl. Guys, I won't lie, I'm tired. I'm sick. I don't know if I'm sick or what, but, like, and go make some food. I'm taking you guys along with me so you guys can see the master chef that is within, because I'm glad you guys don't believe me. So I'm about to show you guys what I can do in the kitchen. Okay, I'm actually digging this hairstyle. I've been trying to do this for the past 3 weeks, and only today it's perfect. Like, only today it's perfect, and I'm just like, but I know what to do now to get it like this. Give them very much. Okay guys, so these are the spices that you need to make. If I didn't mention, I'm making butter chicken. I don't think you need this. So you need curry powder, ginger, ground ginger, you need masala, you need ground cumin, you need garlic, you need garlic spice, but I don't have it, so I'm gonna use garlic and herb. You need salt, you need paprika, and then I'm just gonna add this. Okay, you also need plain yogurt. Right. Then you're also gonna need some chicken breasts, obviously. And lastly, you're gonna need rice. This is the rice that I'm gonna be cooking. Okay guys, so like I was kind of panicking because it was orange at first, so like I thought I put too much butter, I mean too much tomato paste, but yeah. Girl, God, did I not just finish my assignment right now? It's due at 11:59 and I just finished it right now. I'm tired, but I can't sleep because I have to study IT. That's the story of my life. No hollered. Anyways, so yeah guys, we have reached the end of this video. Don't mind me looking like the pits. It's just academic stress. Anyways, we've reached the end of this video. I hope you guys like this video. I really tried to like vlog throughout the week. I just had a very hectic week because I've been preparing for exams and like that's all my mind has been on. Like I literally got reminded multiple times that I'm filming a week in my life. So I really tried, guys. I tried to begazel. I tried to push. Like I tried. It's not like I didn't try. I don't want to say I didn't try because I tried. I'm gonna edit, like not today though, but whenever I do edit, which is probably like next week Sunday or something, I'm gonna make sure it's like long enough, you know, because I'm trying to get this bread. Anyways, I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for the support on the last 2 videos. Like I appreciate you guys for real. Anyways, let's keep growing the family. Yo, my facial expressions. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends or family, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love.